How important is it for an auto shop to be clean? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. The bottom line is it's important. Probably not as important as like your doctor's surgery room, but like today we're doing a Ford Ecoboost cylinder head gasket. You can see there's a lot of parts that come off. It's important that I have all these bolts organized. I have internal engine parts that I keep covered because I don't want them to get dirt and grit. And so it is very important for a shop to be clean. The reality is all shops are going to have some clutter. Sometimes I hate shooting these videos because I know we show the clutter of the shop. You can see some down here. And all shops are going to have some dirt and grease. But I want to walk you down here. Tristan's working on, he was doing a power steering rack and something else. But if you look on top of his toolbox, all of the bolts are in order, so they all get put back properly. So it actually is important for a shop to be clean. So here's what I suggest. If you're looking at a shop, check out their bathroom. Check out their lobby. Check out their waiting room. If all those are clean, usually that's a pretty good indication that the rest of it's going to be clean. And then ask if you can have a tour of the shop. And just, you can get a feel of whether it's organized and clean and not too bad, or whether it's a disaster area. So I hope that helps you understand why it's important for a shop to be clean and organized. And until next time, blessings and safe travels to you.